Pluto retrograde is finally over, and in this video I'm going to reveal 3 secrets of how you can use this energy to create a transformation to grow your online business. It's going to create structural changes, changes in power dynamics, and a transformation you cannot ignore. Is fucking inevitable. Sorry this video is a little bit late. I'm a Scorpio Sun, Scorpio Rising, Scorpio Mercury, Scorpio Pluto, Scorpio Lilith. I'm a very Plutonian person, so I was going through my own transformation, just keeping it real and being authentic. If you want to learn how to use astrology to grow your online business, like this video, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think of this video. And there's a free masterclass in the description and link in the comments to sign up for that to learn how to manifest your dream business using astrology. So we're going to create some structural changes with this Pluto retrograde being over right now, because during the retrograde period it brings the planet's energy closer to the earth, so it intensifies the energy by putting it in our face and understanding what we need to reflect on, what we need to revise, what we need to reassess. And the energy of Pluto helps you to investigate and dig deeper into what it is that's truly valuable for you, to dig deeper into your secret hidden resources that maybe you're not using and applying to your business. Maybe your business is not aligned with your soul purpose, so you need to dive deeper into your birth chart and research it more to align it with your natural gifts, talents, spiritual abilities, and your unique purpose for being here on earth. Pluto helps you to uncover what is hidden, whether that's your hidden abilities, hidden skills, hidden purpose, or whether that's your hidden fears, blockages, and challenges that are holding you back. So during the Pluto retrograde period, we were able to zoom in with a microscope to understand those hidden blockages and understand our hidden powers, and be able to start integrating our shadow. Essentially, it's shadow work, but for business with this, in this case. So once you can realize your hidden blockages and fears, it's not over, because this is where the hard part begins. Because this is where you have to take action to overcome your hidden doubts, your imposter syndrome, your trepidation, your hesitation, the doubts that are holding, the doubts and fears and hidden blockages and challenges that are holding you back from achieving business success and growing your business. So the Pluto retrograde helped to bring those into your conscious awareness instead of having those dug down deep in the bottom of your subconscious awareness. Now this is actually going to create structural changes in your business, because we build our business based upon our subconscious beliefs and the way that we structure our consciousness. So if your consciousness was structured based upon the doubts and fears and limitations that you believe you have, then you will have built your business in that way. But now where you more understand the limits that you've been placing upon yourself, and you have a greater understanding of your hidden power that you may have not been integrating into your business, that you've not been using your sales skills that you put to the back once you quit your sales job, that you've not been using your creativity that you had when you were working in a marketing office, you know what I'm saying, certain skills that you have that you thought weren't applicable. Now you've realized these are hidden abilities and hidden resources that you can actually apply to create a greater level of business success. So this is how you're going to start restructuring your business, to start adding in all of your hidden abilities, hidden powers, hidden resources that you didn't really have or didn't know that you had, and start putting them towards your business success. This can also be the person that you knew from back in school that now has money and is an angel investor, and they can invest in your business. Or the person, the old friend that you haven't talked to in a while that flipping builds websites or know how to create apps right now, and if you had a conversation with them, then maybe you could do a better deal or go halves on business, or you know what I'm saying, whatever the case may be. You can have links and connections that can also invest in your growth, whether they're investing with skills and abilities, or actual physical resources and money and time and energy. So in this energy, you're going to be able to start restructuring your business, because as you go use the Pluto retrograde energy to dive deeper into yourself, then there's also an energy where you understand how you really want to live your life, what kind of person you want to transform into, how you want to transform your life and your business. And if you're realizing that you want to be more obsessed with the energy of Pluto, you want to be more obsessed with your business and carve out more time to focus on your business, then this is the transformation that is going to help you to start structuring your daily routine, your daily operations and your business, to make sure you have more time to obsess and go deeper into your business. And maybe you want to stop spreading your energy so thin, and you want to focus on one channel, whether that's one niche or one social media channel, be that Instagram, YouTube, etc. You get the gist. But you maybe want to transform your life to have more freedom in your life because you realize that your online business was trapping you and keeping you chained and limiting your power to expand and explore by going traveling or having a relationship, having children, and spending more time with your children. You want to expand more in life in more different opportunities and have a deeper experience and connection with the entirety of your life. So then you're going to have to restructure your business in a way that creates a greater level of freedom in your business. So these are the ways that you're going to be focusing on using this energy to transform the structure of your business, whether you're changing the business model, how you make money, your daily operations of your business to give you more freedom or more success, more power, a variety of all of them depending upon what you found deep in your subconsciousness when you were digging and diving deep into yourself to find out your true intense desires. Now, it's also going to create a shift in power dynamics, and this is especially true, obviously, if you're in a business partnership, because it may change your power dynamics in the partnership between who you are, because you're understanding your unique gifts and talents and hidden abilities, and maybe you understand that, okay, there needs to be a shift in responsibilities or where your power is allocated and where it's distributed. Because essentially, business is just three things. Business is the creation of value, the creation of message to describe that value, and the distribution of them both. So in this energy, how are you creating value? How are you creating a message to describe that value? And how are you distributing them both? And in this energy, the power dynamics may change even between you and your audience, because what you're realizing right now as you're going through the restructuring process and diving deeper into what it is that you truly desire, the transformation that you desire to achieve, then you're also understanding, okay, then maybe you're wanting to shift direction because now you're going more niche, or now you're going more broad, or now you want to go deeper into some higher level topics which may cut out some of the beginners, or maybe you want to ignore the advanced people because there's more of the beginners. So these are going to be the power dynamics that are shifting because of where you're focusing your attention and where you're focusing your energy. So it's not just about whether you've got a business partner or whether you've got staff. It's also about the connection that you have with your audience, because you're focusing your attention differently and you're distributing your energy differently based upon the unique specific transformation that you desire after you have done the shadow work and revealed your hidden blockages and really your hidden purpose. And then we're going into the energy of the transformation that is just not optional right now. And I was really battling with this as well in terms of the fact of me really going balls deep into business astrology, because I also know that I'm super gifted in normal astrology or psychological astrology. And that was an energy of where I've been battling with it for a long time, just being open and honest and keeping it real, and hesitating and going back and forth and thinking, well, is this the right decision? Like, am I flipping leaving money on the table? Is it, you know what I'm saying? But like every time I look at my birth chart, like it's still pointing to the fact of my ideal client is desiring to create and build financial freedom in a sustainable way where they can have control over their income and the way that they build their financial freedom and time freedom. So I know that I'm here to do this, but there was still hesitation and self-doubt along with the process. And I want to be open and honest with this to make sure that every entrepreneur knows that, because an entrepreneurial journey is very lonely. I'm not saying that to like cry tears. I'm saying it so you understand when you're feeling this like self-doubt or trepidation or hesitation, you think that it's just you, because the entrepreneurial journey, most of it is very lonely. But it's not just you. We're all going through the same thing at different varying times. But the Pluto retrograde being over shows that this transformation is inevitable. Do you know what I'm saying? So I felt that intuitively and spiritually that there's just no turning back. Even if I wanted to turn back and just like be a little scared, you know what I'm saying, on YouTube, but be scared, like it's inevitable. The transformation is happening. I'm a very Plutonian person as well, so the Pluto going retrograde, like you can't go from a caterpillar to a butterfly and then back to a caterpillar. It's just not possible. So this is the energy, if you're experiencing this energy, that maybe you've quit your job to go all in on your online business, or you've changed niche or niche down, or you're going broader, or you're realizing that it's time to scale your business, or you're changing your product offering because you realized that wasn't in alignment with your sole purpose and you wanted an offering that gave you more freedom financially and time-wise. whatever transformation is going on with your business right now, realize that this transformation is inevitable and it is for your higher good, whether you can see it now or not. Because Pluto is also an energy that is associated with the darkness of the underworld. And the underworld literally represents your subconscious. And your subconscious is the darkness because it's not in your conscious awareness. The conscious awareness is the energy of light, the energy of the sun. The subconscious awareness is the energy of darkness. So as we're going deep into that, we have this kind of intuitive sense for something, just like when you're walking around in a dark room, sometimes you can sense that you're about to fucking stub your toe or walk into a table, or there might be something there. But you know what I'm saying, it's more you're running on your intuitive senses and you're not going to be able to fully see the full big picture until you get to the other side of the room and you can turn the bedroom light on. So this is like the energy of you walking through the dark tunnel of growing your online business right now, that you're having a transformation that you intuitively feel is the right steps. And maybe you can even see it in your birth chart, and if you can't, then join the free masterclass and I'll show you how to see that. But you know that this is the right path, but because you're still in the darkness and you haven't reached that other side where you can turn the bedroom light on, you don't know, you just kind of know. You get what I'm saying? But trust the astrology, trust the energies of the universe, and realize that this transformation is inevitable. There is no turning back, and you're making the right choice. It is for your good, because you can't go from a caterpillar to a butterfly and then back to a caterpillar. And being a butterfly is just better than being a caterpillar. So if you want to learn how to grow your online business with astrology, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below to let me know what you think. Link in the description to join my free masterclass to learn how to use your birth chart to manifest your dream business. Also link in the comments, because sometimes it doesn't work in the description. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. Share it to somebody who needs it. I love ya.